Good evening, Miss Bonto. For tonight, I will do a cooking demo. And what will I do for tonight is, or show, is how to cook or do an egg and mayo sandwich. Our ingredients are bread, pepper, salt, egg, and mayonnaise. First, you need to put tap water on the pan. Then, turn it on. Then, you need to put the egg. Then, when it's cooked later, you have to smash it. Now, we have a smashed one here. We just need to add more mayonnaise. Then, stir it. Then, put some, pinch some of the salt and put some on the filling we made. Then, add pepper. Then, stir it. Then, now, we will put it on the bread. Now, you can eat it and enjoy. Thank you for listening.